Getting older is a wonderful thing to be able to experience, but it comes with its share of responsibilities and difficulties, as I often say. One of the most important challenges people face as they age is osteoporosis, which manifests itself through aches and pains in the bones. Your bone health and strength are heavily influenced by the foods you eat, especially after the age of 40, and your diet is one of the most important factors in this regard. In order to help your bones stay healthy and strong as you age, I will discuss several foods that are particularly beneficial for consumption. Calcium and a specific type of protein called collagen to make up most of the bone structure. Both of these ingredients play an important role in determining your bone health. They are the structural structures of your bones. And if for some reason they decrease, your bones become weaker. This can happen for a number of reasons. Individuals begin to complain of symptoms that are consistent with weak bones as they begin to age naturally because the collagen and calcium content of their bones often decreases slowly. This is one of the reasons why people begin to complain of symptoms that are consistent with weak bones. Eating a diet rich in calcium, vitamin D and protein can help restore calcium lost from bones as a natural result of aging. This can be done to reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 1. Vegetables, such as spinach, cabbage, tomatoes, green leaf, water leaf, and a variety of other leafy greens, etc. They all have a sufficient amount of calcium, potassium, and vitamin D, all of which are important nutrients for sustaining healthy bones and teeth. You may prepare this dish as a salad or use it to make soups. Both options are delicious. They are nutritious either way you look at it. 2. Fish. This can be any fish that is readily accessible, including catfish. Fish also includes a good amount of calcium, which may help improve your calcium level, which in turn helps to keep your bones strong and even makes them stronger as you get older. 3. White meat, such as turkey or chicken. You are allowed to consume various types of meat, such as goat meat, but you should strive to reduce your consumption to a minimum. Meat is an excellent source of calcium and protein, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy and robust bones, and meat also includes calcium.